Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Porsche battery key. Start by unlocking the mechanical key and removing it from the fob using the release catch. Then separate the two halves gently with a small flathead screwdriver. Keep track of tiny springs and buttons as you open the shell. Remove the old CR2032 battery with care, note its orientation, and place the new battery the same way while avoiding skin contact on the battery face. Once the shell is open, place the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation as the old one, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction. Reposition any spacers or springs exactly where they were, then gently press the two halves of the fob together until they click. Reinsert the mechanical key and confirm the remote locks, unlocks, and panic features respond from a normal distance immediately. If the key does not work after a battery change, start by cleaning the contact pads with a cotton swab and 90% isopropyl alcohol, then dry and retest. Verify the battery is new and fully seated, and try a key sync procedure if your Porsche requires it. Consider replacing a brittle or cracked shell to avoid future problems, and always carry a spare key or battery for roadside peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.